Hi everyone, this is Stavros from Drywall Repairman in Vancouver BC. We've just done another repair. It's just a small repair. We've got a little bit of staining on the ceilings. The drywall has sort of come away a little bit there, so we filled the void. Also, we've done some with kills. We've used kills and spot primed all the brown spots. But the reason for this video is not to talk about those sort of things because they're quite normal. I just want to show how we do these seamless blends, and it's just one of the many tricks we have. I'm not going to show you everything, but I'm going to share this with you. Most people who fill these patches on the ceilings, they never feather the edges, and you see here we've wet it down and we've feathered the edges, so even as it is, if we just paint it straight over, you wouldn't be able to see a bump or a transition, which is the key to a seamless and invisible repair. As you can see, we've done it through all the edges, and most guys who do these ceiling repairs do not go to this distance, but we do at Drywall Repairman, and that's why we get so many great reviews. Just wanted to share that with my loyal customers and my fan base. This is Stavros from Drywall Repairman, signing off.